I need you to get out your Unit 5 packet if you don't have it already. We're flipping to Day 3 on similar triangles. On Friday we talked about similar polygons. In that case you had to have all of the angles, corresponding angles congruent, and the corresponding sides have the same ratio. Similar to what we did in Unit 4, we're now going to just focus on triangles. And with triangles we don't have to have everything. There are going to be 3 different ways to prove similar triangles. And remember, similar means same shape, but not necessarily the same size. The first way that we can prove triangles are similar is by angle-angle. Truly, all that means is 2 of the angles have to be congruent, and that will automatically guarantee the triangles have the same shape and their sides will be proportional. We've got TRS, and that one's going to be similar to PLM. The next method for proving triangles are similar is side angle side. Let's draw out a picture of what that would look like. Notice I'm trying to draw the triangles similar shape but different sizes. We had a 40-degree angle, 40-degree angle. This was 2, this was 4, this was 3, and this was 6. A couple things. First of all, notice that angle has to be in between the 2 sides. And when we say side, side, in this case we're not talking they have to be congruent, they have to be in the same ratio. In other words, I'm checking to make sure that 2 over 4 is equal to 3 over 6. They both reduce to 1/2. We also talked about you could cross multiply. Notice both of those would give you 12. So in other words, if you've got 2 sides that have the same ratio with an angle in between, then the triangles are similar. And finally, for the last one, we have side, side, side. Let's go draw a picture there. Again, trying to draw triangles that look the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Notice we have nothing to do with the angles, we're just talking sides. So if we had 2 to 3, 4 to 6, and 6 to 9. Let's double check. I'm looking at 2 over 3 compared to 4 over 6 compared to 6 over 9. Now, just to reinforce another way that we could do this, we could cross multiply, or we talked about changing these to decimals. Quickly grab my calculator. If I take 2 divided by 3, I get 0.6 repeating. 4 divided by 6, 0.6 repeating. 6 divided by 9, again 0.6 repeating. That's another way of knowing those all have the same ratio. So if that happens, again, we say the triangles are similar. These are our only 3 ways of proving triangles are similar. Again, angle, angle, side, angle, side, or side, side, side. Let's take a look at a few examples then. Number 1, it wants us to explain why the triangles are similar. We've been given MX is perpendicular to AB. That means both of those angles are right angles. And because they're both at right angles, that also means that we know those angles are congruent. Remember, we have a theorem that says right angles congruent. Angle A we know is congruent to angle B because their measures are equal. So if I go and mark this on my picture, I have this is congruent to this angle is congruent to this angle, and remember one of our methods is simply 2 angles are congruent, which we have. So these triangles are similar by the angle-angle postulate. Same concept as the last unit, you've got to make sure your corresponding sides and angles are matching up. So notice I have A, which is my 58-degree angle, corresponds with B, which is also my 58-degree angle. Then I had angle M, which was up here, which wasn't marked, corresponds with angle K, which wasn't marked, and then both X and X refer to the right angles there. Number 2, they again tell us the triangles are similar. We have to figure out the reason why. First of all, we have angle YVZ is congruent to WVX, and that's a theorem that's come up many times throughout the semester. That is because vertical angles are congruent. So right now, I've got an angle. I have information regarding the sides. I'm going to go and check to make sure the sides again have the same ratio. They've set it up for us. We're looking at VY compared to VW. 12/24 reduces to 1/2. VZ, which is 18/36, and again, that reduces to 1/2. So we have sides with the same ratio, which means they're proportional. Those triangles are similar in this case because of side angle side. Okay, moving on to the back. We're trying to figure out if the triangles are similar. Well, if you think about our options, again, we have angle, angle, we have side angle, side, and we have side, side, side. Well, we have no information regarding the angles, nor can we get them, so we automatically know it's not either one of those. The only one that we can check then is side, side, side. I'm noticing my 8 here corresponds with my 6 here. This 8 corresponds with this 6. Certainly we know that's true, but we have to go and check, does 12 equal to 9? We can reduce each one of those. We can cross multiply, or again, I'm just going to grab my calculator. 8 divided by 6 is 1.3 repeating. This one is 1.3 repeating. And 12 divided by 9 is also 1.3 repeating. First of all, we know the triangles are similar. The reason we figured out it is side, side, side. They want us to give the similarity ratio. We're going to give this as a fraction, so that would be 4/3. Again, this is my scale factor. And then finally, they want us to give the similarity statement. We've got triangle GEF is similar to triangle CAB. Let's go take a look at number 4. In this case, again, if you kind of think through your options, we've got angle, angle, side angle, side, 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 side. I don't have any information regarding the sides. That means I'm not even going to think through whether it's either one of those. The only one I'm looking for is to see if it's angle, angle. We've got 35 degrees here, 75 here. If I think about this would be an x, I've got x plus my 35 plus my 75 has to equal 180. When I solve this, we end up with x is equal to 70 degrees. So all I need between the two triangles is two of the angles to be congruent. In this case, I've got a 35 and I have a 70. So that means this is a yes. Our reason is angle, angle. We can't give the similarity ratio because I don't have any information regarding the sides. The only other thing I can do is write the similarity statement. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Alright, I'm going to add on one more because I believe you're going to see it on the Excel assignment tonight. It talks about you're standing here and you have a shadow. Let's suppose you are 6 feet tall. Hey. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm casting a shadow that is 3.5 feet in length. I've got a flagpole that I don't know the height of, nor can I find it because I'm not going to climb up the flagpole, and it's casting a shadow of 15 feet. triangles are similar. I've got a right angle here, a right angle here. Then when that sun is casting down, that angle in here would be the same. The triangles are similar because of angle, angle. Now we can go and set up a ratio. We've got 3.5 over 15 equals 6 over x. We're going to cross multiply and solve. And we end up with the flagpole is 25.7 feet high. Next item, if you go to Math Excel, your assignment should be up for you. Do not forget, on that next page I've left you space. You are showing me work for at least 10